Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're back and check out the Rileys. Here's Doroteo. We're in Thailand and Doroteo got a new outfit that he wanted and he wants to tell you about it. Doroteo, what's that shirt that you're wearing? What's on that shirt? It's a tiger. And what about your shorts? You got boxing shorts. He did not. He wanted to have some boxing shorts. He said he needed them. Why? Because he looks cool. Show the back of your shirt. What does it say? Not your shorts, but your shirt says something on the back. Let's throw in some more. Thailand. Oh, there you are. My dreams. Yeah, there you go. So, did you get your brother a matching outfit? He's got a lion, huh? Yeah. Yeah. He has a mane. A lion has a mane. Nice. Yeah. But you know, the tiger looked like you and the lion looked like Jabez, huh? Oh, Jabez is? He eats food by himself, so he's like a man, huh? What about your boxing shorts? Why did you have to have boxing shorts? It's Thai boxing, huh? It's like Philippines, but it's it says Thai boxing. Like they do kickboxing and stuff there. Yeah. So, do you think you can beat me up now that you got those boxing shorts? Oh, you can beat him up in that game, huh? In the video game? You get him, huh?
Get him back.
Right. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
My characters are
Yeah. Well, what else would you like to tell them before we go? Fear the tiger.
and it feels funny.
Real funny? Yeah. It's really shiny. You can't see it good here. But it's got like sparkle in it. Well, tell me. All right. What do you want to say to everybody?
Like this video and stay good.
All right, you heard it, people. Till next time, check it.